हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल ऑफ वेदांत क्लासेस। मैं केवल सर और आप सभी को जय श्री कृष्ण। तो कैसे आप सब लोग? एकदम बढ़िया। सो अभी इस लेक्चर में हम मैथमेटिक्स क्लास 10 मैथमेटिक्स है उसका जो फॉर्मूला का लिस्ट है तो उसका पूरा एक रिवीजन करेंगे। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट नाउ। फर्स्ट इज राइट इक्वेशन ऑफ यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम। तो उसका जो आंसर होगा दैट इज ए इज इक्वल टू बी क्यूब प्लस आर, और उसकी जो कंडीशन है वो क्या है? r should be greater than or equal to 0 and it should be less than b. Okay, now state the relation of degree of g of x and r of x. तो इसमें r of x, degree of r of x, okay, not just r of x, that is degree of r of x equal to 0, or the another condition is degree of g of x that should be greater than degree of r of x. Okay, so these are the conditions that you should remember. So that is the relation of degrees of g of x and r of x. Let's see the next question. And third is write sum of zeros and product of zeros for p of x, that is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So sum of zeros क्या होगा? Minus p by a, and product of zeros that will be c upon a. Okay, let's see the fourth one. Write standard equation of linear equation in two variables. So standard equation है ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard equation. Now let's check the next one. Write condition of standard equation. So condition is a should not be equal to 0, b should not be equal to 0, and a, b, c, they should belongs to real numbers. Okay, or you can also write one other condition for this, that is a square plus b square should not be equal to 0. Okay, so these are the conditions for standard equation. Now write the formula of cross multiplication method. So formula will be let's write the equation, that is let's say if two equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2, then the formula will be x upon b1 b2 c1 c2 is equal to y upon c1 c2 a1 a2 is equal to 1 upon a1 a2 b1 b2. Okay, from here onwards you can cross this and write the equation. Okay, so this is cross multiplication formula. Okay, to solve the linear equation in two variable. Now let's write the seventh one. State formula of discriminant. So discriminant का formula क्या होगा? b square minus 4ac. Okay, write nature of roots with respect to the value of d. So three cases are there when d is equal to 0. Roots will be real and equal. When d is less than 0, no real root exists. And when d is greater than 0, okay, then roots will be real and distinct. Distinct yani alag alag, different. Okay, so this will be the three cases. Now write equation of quadratic formula. So roots for quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Okay, standard equation. Now we have to write the equation of quadratic formula. So what is quadratic formula? So that will be roots is equal to minus b plus or minus root d upon 2a, where d is discriminants, that what we have written, b square minus 4ac. So this is quadratic formula. Okay, now let's see the next one. State formula to find nth term. So nth term, so its formula will be an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Write formula to find the sum of n terms. So that will be Sn, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now 12th is write formula of Sn having n, a and l. So Sn will be n by 2 a plus l. Okay, then let's see the next one. State relationship of a and n Sn. So that relationship is very important. Okay, an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay, then 14th one, write general form of AP. So general form of AP is a plus d, up to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this will be the nth term, and this is the general form of AP. A plus d, a plus 2d up to a plus n minus 1 d. State general formula of d. So general formula for the d, that is common difference. Okay, so d will be, you can write an minus 1. So you write it like this: a2 minus a1, then a3 minus a2. So that general form is an minus 1. Okay, then let's see the 16th one. Okay, write Thales theorem for this given figure. So it will be al upon l by q, lq ar upon ry. Okay, so you should write this upon this, this upon this. That is Thales theorem. Now if these two triangles are similar, okay, this, for the similar triangles, write relation of sides and area. So that theorem we can write it like this: area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, that is equal to side square. So you can write like AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Okay, so this is how you can write that theorem. Okay, now let's see the 18th one. Write Pythagoras theorem for this figure. Then we can write it like this: ax square plus xp square is equal to ap square. Okay, then 19th, for point given, write distance formula. So distance formula we can write distance between a and b, that is equal to root of x2 minus x1 या x1 minus x2 कुछ भी लिखो, square plus bracket y1 minus y2 square. This is an entire term. Okay, complete whole square में ये term लिखना है आपको. Then 20th, write section formula. Okay, so let's write the section formula. Now see here, cxy divides, so write cxy, that is equal to c in bracket, in the ratio k is to 1. Okay, so it will be kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, comma ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. रेशियो जिस टर्म में दिया उस टर्म में फॉर्मूला लिखा है. ओके, दिस इज x1. So kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. Okay. Now let's see the 21st question. Write formula to find the area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC when the three coordinates are given, so that is equal to 1/2 mod x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. Okay, then write the number 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Okay, then mod over. So this is how you can remember this formula of area of triangle ABC. Okay, then let's see the 22nd equation. Write formula of find the centroid of the triangle. Then centroid, let's say G xy. Then centroid is G x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, comma y coordinate is y1 y2 y3 upon 3. Okay, this is the equation for the centroid. It's very important. ओके, क्वेश्चन ये फार्मूला दिया नहीं है बट इसमें से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द 23rd. State midpoint formula of point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, midpoint formula. So let's say P xy is a midpoint. Then midpoint formula will be x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the midpoint formula. Okay, now 24th. According to definition, sin theta and or you can write trigonometric ratio. Sin theta क्या होता है? Opposite upon hypotenuse, and cot theta, it's adjacent upon opposite. Okay,